Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warcraft on PC. First, you'll need to select which Warcraft game you want to play, such as the real-time strategy classic Warcraft 3, Reforged, or the expansive massively multiplayer online role-playing game, World of Warcraft. Next, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for your chosen title. Finally, purchase and download the game client directly from the official blizzardbattle.net platform. Once your game client is downloaded, proceed with the installation. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. If you're new to Blizzard games, you'll need to create a free battle.net account. This account is essential for logging in and playing. After installation, launch the battle.net application and log into your account to start your Warcraft adventure. Now that you're in the game, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. These typically involve mouse clicks for movement and unit selection, and keyboard shortcuts for abilities. The in-game tutorial is an excellent resource to grasp the core mechanics and objectives. Don't hesitate to spend some time there. Afterward, dive into various game modes like the story-driven campaign, a quick skirmish, or exciting multiplayer matches. To truly master Warcraft, consistent practice is key. This will sharpen your strategic thinking and improve your reaction times in fast-paced scenarios. Consider watching professional players stream or reviewing online guides to discover advanced tactics and build orders. Finally, immerse yourself in the vibrant Warcraft community. Joining forums or Discord servers offers a fantastic way to get tips, share experiences, and connect with fellow players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.